Hey people, so we are at this place called the Thick Shake Factory, and this is a drive-in really. Wow, a drive-in, the evening time looks that much nicer. So yeah, this is in Banjara Hills, and if you were to take a look, this is how it looks. The nice thing of, evening, it's an all new world. Yeah, so this is called the Tasty Theory and Thick Shake Factory. We are waiting for the beat him, yeah. So this is so sweet. Okay, Baba De Bhatti Trigger. I don't know, that looks like a gym or what is it, I'm not sure. The thing on top. So yeah, so this is some kind of Pan Mahal also. Yeah, that's what Banarasi Pan Mahal. And so yeah, there's ample cars parking space. So it's quite nice. Yeah, the vibe is really cute. And we'll wait for the thick shakes.